Names of shapes.
Pebbles Live.
Square, a shape with four equal sides and four corners. Rectangle, a shape with four sides and opposite sides are equal. Triangle, a shape with three sides and three corners. Circle, a round shape with no corners. Rhombus, a slanted square shape. Oval, a long round shape like a stretched circle. Parallelogram, a four-sided shape with opposite sides parallel and equal. Star, a shape with points usually 5 or more. Semicircle, a half circle. Arrow, a shape that points in one direction. Quarter circle, one-fourth of a circle. Acute triangle, a triangle with all angles less than 90 degree. Right triangle, a triangle with 190-degree angle. Trapezoid, a triangle with 190-degree angle. Cube, a box with 6 equal square faces. Cuboid, a box with rectangle faces. Cone, a round base with a point on top. Sphere, a round ball shape with no edges. Cylinder, a shape with two circles on the ends and straight sides. Hemisphere, half of a sphere. Pyramid, a flat base with triangle sides that meet at the top. Annulus, a flat ring shape with a hole in the middle. Parallelepiped, a 3D shape where all faces are parallelograms. Torus, a ring-shaped 3D object. Wedge, a 3D shape that is thick on one end and thin on the other like a triangle block. Pentagon, a shape with 5 sides and 5 corners. Hexagon, a shape with 6 sides and 6 corners. Heptagon, a shape with 7 sides and 7 corners. Octagon, a shape with 8 sides and 8 corners. Nonagon, a shape with 9 sides and 9 corners. Decagon, a shape with 10 sides and 10 corners.
Pebbles Live.